Peace, it's your brother Larry, and today I have a quick one for y'all detailing how I saved a few dollars repairing my tent instead of replacing it. Y'all stick around. This is my third tent. The first two went the same way really. It was a strong wind that came by, knocked it over, broke the legs. What I didn't know is that the companies that make these tents are more than happy to send replacement parts as long as you're still under warranty. Initially, I was still frustrated and I thought to myself, man, someone has to sell these individual frames somewhere without the canopy and the bags and stakes. I had enough of them at this point. So I reached out to Academy and they sent me to Z-Shade, the manufacturer of the tent. And in 2 weeks, I had a replacement leg come in, also called a truss. And now y'all get to see me replace it. The truss has 3 holes. The largest hole goes at the bottom of the frame. So let's get started. We're gonna use a 5/32 Allen wrench to loosen and remove the broken truss. On this frame, the bottom legs are secured with a cover, so we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop that off. When breaking anything down, be sure to pay attention to the small pieces that are going to be necessary to put it back together. We're going to install a new truss, being sure that the big hole is at the bottom. I needed to remove this middle bolt as well, so bear with me. Now we need to slide the connector on and align it with the middle hole. Let's grab the small piece and use it to connect the bottom and reattach the cover. The rest is pretty straightforward. So at this point, we're going to just take the tent outside, reattach the canopy, and make sure it can stand alone. I appreciate y'all checking out the video. If you made it this far, go ahead and check out my DIY playlist. Leave me a like, comment if it helped at all, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Later on.